Okay, my experience with the hurricane is it is really devastating. Really. Even in my area where I'm living, people house got blown down completely. Mine, the rooftop come off, the door was blown in, the water come in, wet up bed, dresser, all that. However, I did have a one room that did not get that much affected by it. In the town area, which we all know, no light, no water. I think the government is taking too long to assist, which I think they are doing their best in they're saying some worst affected area. But in my community where I'm living, Montpellier, St. James, I ask around when I'm there and I don't see no help. All. What my community need, all. I don't know everybody individual needs, but I would say all for right now. Spiritual, mental, physical, water, goodly. We have water. I have water in my tap. Some people don't have because the pipeline might get affected by trees uprooting and limbs and so drop falling on them and bursting them. But I have water in my pipe. I understand. So I would say everything because everybody have their special needs. I don't go to everybody home, but a few I talk to, their houses get damaged, zinc come off. Even if there's zinc and it's concrete structure, the windows and the door blown in. So you understand? And even a good kind word, you know, tell you, yeah, you can come again and build again, you know. Yes. Yeah, man. I would say, yes, we would appreciate it. You ask me how I know he lives. He lives within my heart. In all the world around me, I see his loving care. And though my heart grow weary, I'll never despair. I know he is leading through all the storm and blast. The day of his appearing will come at last. Rejoice, rejoice. O Christian, lift up your voice and sing. Eternal hallelujahs to Jesus Christ the King, the hope of all who seek him, the help of all who find. None other is so loving, so good and kind. And it's the kindness of God and his mercy why we are here. Because it could be worse.